Finally, the top teleprompter for YouTube videos is the Glide Gear TMP100. If you're creating YouTube content as part of your main job, we recommend the Glide Gear TMP100. When making a YouTube video, this is the best teleprompter to help you look professional and natural as you stare straight down at the camera. It's effortless to set up with no need for tools and many mounting options for fixing your tripod. It also includes an offset adapter allowing you to use your smartphone as the camera. There are inserts supporting up to a 10.5 by 7.5 inch tablet or smartphone in the adjustable tray on the front to provide scrolling text via any prompting app compatible with the mobile device. Another highlight of this model is the 70/30 beam splitter glass that reflects the scrolling text from the device to your talent from up to a 10-foot reading range. The glass angle is adjustable to best suit the situation, while its protective hood keeps unwanted light from entering your lens. The prompter offers 1/4 inch 20 and 3/8 inch 16 tripod mount threads on the bottom, plus accessory mounting points on the left and right sides of the frame for attaching lights, mics, and other accessories to enhance your production. Most people who buy the TMP100 usually use it with an iPad or other tablet, which makes sense if all you want to do is shoot video and deliver scripted lines. Regardless of your needs or type of setup, this is a brilliant device that is sure to serve you well when creating professional-level content. Its pros are: it uses an impact-resistant HD glass that delivers a 70/30 visible light transmission. It comes with an adjustable mounting sled for easier filming. It delivers stunning clarity and readability in full light conditions, and it's made of 6061 grade aluminum, prized for its durability and corrosion resistance. However, attaching a camera can be a little tricky as the fixture screws in from underneath. The Glide Gear TMP100 is the best teleprompter for full-time YouTubers because it includes everything a content creator needs to read from an auto cue while looking good. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.